Hey guys, Sarah here from New England Junk Journals, and I'm on for a thrift haul. I want to get this out sooner than later. This is my second haul this year from my favorite antique bookstore. And I scored some really gorgeous books. And the lion's share of these books are going to be coming to a drop sale. I'm aiming for end of February. So this may come out right before or right after the drop sale has started, I think. I want to show you guys. So the theme, rewind. The theme of the drop sale is going to be spring / naturalist sale. So I'll be having some ephemera. I'll try to have some fabrics. I'll be having a ton of beautiful books, stamps, a whole bunch of stuff coming out that's going to be in either a spring or like naturalist theme. So like field guides and books on birds and butterflies and trees and flowers. You know the kind of things. Some really gorgeous stuff. So what inspired me to do that, to make that the theme, was this book haul that I got. So without too much further ado, I want to get into it. I'll push a few of these stacks to the side. And yeah, the beginning of this is going to be these naturalist books, and then I do have a handful of other beautiful things that I got there as well. So the first thing that I picked up was this Houghton Mifflin Field Guide to Rocks and Minerals. This is nice, but trust me, there's like some gorgeous stuff coming. This is, let's see if I can find the date, third printing in 1957. And there's like a lot of like these black and white pictures. So it's hard to see here, but you can see the shape of the crystals. But there's also a few of these really pretty full color pages showing some gorgeous gemstones. Those are cute. But the paper is really nice. It does have quite a few of these photos, both black and white and in color. And I love the cover's got this awesome ruler on the back. The cover needs to be cleaned up. I think I can get it much better than that. And had a bunch of field guides. This was a Roger Tory Peterson field guide to shells. Oh, I've got to sneeze. Hang on. Sorry. Over 400 illustrations, 102 in full color. This is a 5th printing from 1960. The original copyright was 1947. Some cool little charts. But lots of these pictures here, photos. They have a really cool sheen to them, like right around the shell itself, which is kind of a weird effect when you like tilt it into the light. But yeah, lots of cool seashell pictures in here. A couple of black and white ones, but also, like it said, 102 of them in full color. So these would be cool, like made into tags, journaling cards, fussy cut. Like you could do all kinds of stuff with these. So there's that one. This is Oxford University Press, A Book of Common Birds. And the cover looks the same, but it's taped right here. Like there was a piece of the book cover, the jacket that got ripped, and they taped it right on. I have not been brave enough to try to see if I can get the tape off, but probably with a heat gun you probably could. But the inside is just as beautiful. First printed in 1940, reprinted in 1948. And these have some really gorgeous plates in here too. It's a very thin book, but it has quite a few of these. These are cool. Hopefully the lighting is good. I'll check it on the edit. But yeah, lovely pictures in there. This is Wood's Natural History. And hopefully you can see, as I turn this, the gorgeous embossed cover. You've got a border here, these beautiful flowers, a circle with these birds, and another really gorgeous border. This is so pretty on the outside. And I did not see a copyright in here, which is unfortunate. But I mean, it's clearly quite vintage. Very, very likely it is antique. Like, I'm gonna guarantee that this is antique just by the paper color, the style of illustrations in here. And there are not any color illustrations, but there are lots and lots of pretty sketches in here of different animals, sea creatures, birds, fish, insects. Very nice. I really like that one. The English Flower Garden by William Robinson. Beautiful end papers. This is 1984. Forward Introduction and Botanical Revisions, 1984. I'm looking to see. Originally published 1933. This, again, is full of really, really lovely black and white images. Manor House in Dorset. This is really cute. Border of delphiniums in the garden at Hall Green, Warwickshire. So yeah, lovely, like small images, large images, extra large images. You know, gardens, houses, gates, children, people in the garden. So lots of different things in here. The only thing is, where is it? It does, here we go, have a small section that has rips in it. So like that much has been ripped, which is sad. But the book is huge. The book is huge, and there's so much in here. Yeah, very nice. Now this one ended up in the box after I got home. I don't believe that I bought this that same day. I think I've had this and somehow it got shuffled into the box before I could make a video. I might have been organizing the things that I wanted for the drop sale, but this is definitely going to be one of them, and I'll show it anyway because it's so pretty. This is the an illustrated flora of the northern United States, Canada, and British possessions. And it is Scribner, I think is the one that published it, by Nathaniel Lord Breton, PhD. Copyright 1898. And this is volume 3. So I don't know where the other volumes are, but this is the only one that I had. But you've got some really pretty sketches in here. And I mean, a lot, a lot of really pretty sketches. These are great for, you know, the very nature themed, vintagey, antique style collage journals. Yeah, it's the whole thing. It's just these gorgeous sketches. There was also a one of these golden nature guides of insects. I'll see if I have another one. I have a whole pile of these golden nature guides, and a lot of them are falling apart. So I do know that I'm going to be making up bundles of nature guide pages. So I'll probably, you know, this one's, it's gorgeous. It's got butterflies and moths and stuff in here. I also got beetles and stuff, but yeah, I'll be pulling a little bit from all of them to make up some bundles. So this is another seashell book, another golden field guide to seashells of North America. Copyright 1968. Lots and lots and lots and lots. I did just see a video that Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming had made some journaling cards out of these nature guides and some index cards that were really cute. And I think this is an odd size, but the other ones, like this size, I think, were perfect. I think it was like this size. Were perfect for her 4x6 index cards. They fit almost exactly on there. So, yeah, cute. This is How to Know the Wildflowers. Doesn't look like anything on the cover, but it does have some pretty end pages. And as you flip through, there are some really gorgeous pictures. And by pictures, I mean illustrations, I think. Copyright 1950. This is a first printing. Is it this one? Oh, maybe they are just illustrations in this one. Okay, I take it back. Nice ones, though. Yeah, just very nicely illustrated in black and white. All right. I keep getting confused between the books because I did pick up so many. This one, okay, The Nature Library, Butterflies. I don't know if you can see this beautiful spine. And this is very faded, but it says The Nature Library, and it has a little garden with a sundial in the middle. This has these beautiful plates. 48 illustrations in full color. Copyright 19... well, 1918 and then 1926. That's the 2 copyrights on here. But they have these really beautiful double-sided antique plates. There's also, you know, a lot of other information in here and pictures, but these steal the show. These are so pretty. Oh, look at that. That'd make a great journal cover, wouldn't it? The only problem with these, well, not necessarily a problem, because you could copy these. They're in the public domain. They're old enough to be antique. But yeah, if not, the only question is which side to use, because they're double-sided. But look at those. So, so pretty. Yeah, I love that. It's gorgeous. And this one is Insects, the Yearbook of Agriculture in 1952. I've had the Food Yearbook of Agriculture. I don't know what year it was, but like, look how beautiful this cover would be for a nature journal or a entomology journal. It's got some gorgeous flyleaf here. (1952), and inside you've got some black and white plates here, which are okay, you know, especially if you like entomology. You've got little sketches, some nice paper, but the reason why I picked it up was not for any of these pages here. But can you see where these white pages start here? These are all plates in here. Different insect plates. I thought somebody might be interested in this. There is quite a lot. I mean, I'm not a bug person, but I know there are people out there. I have a coworker actually who absolutely loves insects, which is cool. I'm not that person. But these plates are beautiful. And there's so many of them. The only thing is, when you get to this here, it must have had some water damage, because can you see the pink that came off of this page? As you flip through, there is a little bit of water damage that shows up on these back pages. So if somebody's still interested in it though, let me know. All right, let me tell you about this. Okay, so this is from the Golden Library of Knowledge, golden book with a green book tape spine. Okay, the back it's old. It's definitely marked up. So it is currently under a little bit of spine repair. Literally the paper just peeled up off of the spine here and along the side. So little bit of book glue, and I'm hoping it's good as new. Inside is gorgeous. Can't open it because obviously it's all clamped up, but these are so, so pretty. So that will be coming, definitely. Look at this. The Book of Birds. This embossed cover, first of all, is just gorgeous. You've got an eagle here in the middle in this little diamond shape. It's from the National Geographic Society. Whoops, there we go. Let me see if I can. It's Birds of Town and Country. Flip from the back's probably easier. Again, it has a lot of black and white images, but you also have these really cool bird images here. And lots and lots and lots of them. There we go. Got more here. I think these are so lovely. I love the look of these vintage plates. And you've got larger ones like this. Beautiful little ones like that. Yeah, so pretty. So that was this volume of the Book of Birds. And then I was able to find a 2-volume set of the Book of Birds by the National Geographic Society. It is indeed a different set. Got some damage to the cover, this particular cover. But it is 2 volumes of gorgeous plates of birds here. These are so lovely. So you've got volume 1 and volume 2. So pretty. And then this is Birds of America by the Nature Lovers Library, volume 3. It was just like they were getting rid of all of their bird books, I guess, or a lot of their naturalist books. The University Society, 1923. Original copyright, 1917 by the University Society, Incorporated. Again, and this is a larger book, so you have larger bird plates here. You've got black and white, and then you've got these big color plates. These are gorgeous as pieces of art. Yeah, lots and lots. This one does have 1 page that came out. Plate 76. But yeah, lovely. Now I do have a few other things I want to show you that weren't related to these nature books. I'm just trying to reorganize this so that it doesn't fall down on the sides. They had some other ones. This is the Goldsmith's Handbook by George E. Gee. And, you know, the front and back covers are completely off. I just love the pretty look of that. And looks like 1886 down here. It's just lovely aged paper. You've got, it's all about goldsmithing. But the paper feels really good. Love the color. It does have some little charts and stuff and things that would be good, or tables, I should say, not charts, that would be good in collage. This one also was missing its back cover, but it's other than this unsightly mark on the back, it is debossed and lovely. The Museum of Science and Art. This one is from 1854. The spine is in a couple of pieces, but he did save it. And it has different figures and pictures in here. Just pretty antique stuff. This one is so dark, it's hard to read, but it does say educational course, drawing and perspective. And it's a very thin book. (1837). Elements of Drawing and Perspective. It has a beautiful signature here with the date 1862. And it's just beautiful old paper. It does have some little drawing figures. But yeah, it was sitting there alone and unloved, so I figured I should bring it home. This one is English Pottery and Porcelain. I do love that spine. (1896), and it has a few of these blue plates. And some sketches of pottery. Know your Wedgwood. Interesting. It was too interesting to leave there. So very, very foxed on the pages. This is the Amateurs Practical Aid Series, decorative work for house and home. Cute little cover. But it has this purple ink staining on it that I thought was really cool. Can you see that? And that's why I picked this one up, because of that. I thought, well, that's unique. Must have had some ink spilt on it. Sorry, just looking for a copyright. I'm not seeing one. It does say all rights reserved, but I don't know. But look at the cool ink stains on here. Yeah, this would make some great mixed media. That'd make some great collage for sure. So, and some more tools. Yeah. Down the River Road, an Alice and Jerry book. You guys know I cannot resist a good reader. So this is a cute one from 1938. Super cute. Super, super adorable. It looks like there might be a couple of pages missing. At least one that I can see. Very cute. Yeah, I love all the illustrations in this. This one is Good Stories, Easy Growth in Reading. And I almost want to say I might have had this already. It's from 1940. It does look like there was some writing in here I thought I saw. Yeah. It's been erased a little bit, but Somebody was writing in it. So, cute stuff. This antique, this is Sam Lloyd's Puzzles, a book for children. And this was on their discounted rack because part of it's missing. It starts out like there's no title page or anything like that. It starts out on page 17. But these are really cute. I love the little figures in here. There is some drawing in this one as well. But lots of fun stuff. I think when I looked this up, this is in the public domain. So I can definitely scan some of this. It's on that really kind of thick, almost cardstocky paper. It's like very soft and cottony, but sturdy and thick. So I thought that was cool. One last item, guys, before we leave. One last item. Oh, and it's a heavy one. And it's this. It is a family Bible. Move some of this stuff over so you can see. And it's missing its cover completely. But the first page says it was presented to Gertrude Montgomery by Daddy, Henry Wadsworth Montgomery, on October 9th, 1904. And I haven't even really had a chance to look too far into this, other than the fact that I saw some really pretty plates. The pronouncing edition of the Holy Bible. This thing is falling apart. We've got some maps. It is highly illustrated. It's beautiful. Definitely think I'll scan some of these pages. Oh wow, each of the books has this like overview that's illustrated. I did not see that before. You've got Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth. Oh, this is beautiful. I definitely want to scan this page. 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles. Wow. Yeah. Oh, I love this. This is not what I expected. It's a pleasant surprise. Ooh, look at that one for the Book of Joel. I know that there are some really pretty color plates, so let me fast forward like this. Scriptural Natural History Botany. Can you see that? That is lovely. Then we've got Birds of the Bible. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, like I said, it's highly illustrated. It has a ton of stuff in here. I'm wondering if it's all in the beginning. Oh, there's some more. There's animals. So you've got Scriptural Natural History, Zoology. Those are cool. All right, and then you've got, okay. Oh, there's still some plates in between. Scattered throughout. Whoop. Moses striking the rock. Yeah, lots and lots of stuff here. Those would be beautiful framed, I bet. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's so much. And this is huge, guys. It's huge. Yeah, very cool. All right, I won't bore you too much more. I thought that was really awesome, and it's a gigantic book. I'm probably going to separate it into plates and the book block, the Bible text itself, and the illustrations and stuff, and find some really cool things to do with it. But anyway, yes, that's my haul. We did go a little bit longer than I usually try to. Sorry. But anyway, thank you guys for coming along. Comment, let me know what was your favorite. Are you guys excited to see these brought to a drop sale? And which ones in particular are the most interesting to you, or what was your favorite pick from the whole bunch? Let me know in the comments. As always, thank you guys for coming with me. God bless you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.